Hey guys, I am back again, and in this video I am show you guys the S4, the same amount of RAM to the Oppo having 2 GB RAM versus 2 GB RAM. It is the Snapdragon variant. It is the 600 with 2 GB RAM, while the Oppo is having a quad core 1.4 gigahertz, or no, 1.2 gigahertz. So let's see the speed. Here we go, and you can see logo came first. And you can see Samsung is fast with the logo. And let's see, and information about the S4. The S4 is the 5-year-old phone compared to the Oppo, but it is faster in 2018. So and you can see everything is closed up in the background and no Wi-Fi connection. And starting off with the basic stuff, first we have the phone dialer. Here we go, and that was about the same on both phones, the same animation speed. So let's open settings on both phones. Here we go, and again the same result. So let's open my files. Here we go, and I think the S4 is faster. So let's open some games and show you guys what is the speed, processor speed. Here we go, Subway Surfer. Oops, no launch on the Oppo. So let's launch again. Here we go. What are you doing, the Oppo? So let's open one more time. Here we go, and you can see Tokyo versus Iceland, and you can see both phones is right behind, and let's see who is the faster. And that was about the same on both phones. So, and interesting speed on both phones. So let's open another game application, Candy Crush. Here we go, launching at the same time, and you can see it is the Super AMOLED display, and it is the LCD display. And this time the Oppo is beat the S4 in terms of game loading time. So last opening up the camera app. Here we go, and after that I am check out the internet speed and the RAM management, and you can see Oppo is faster. So I am launching the internet browser on both phones. So first website, it is the wikipedia.org. So let's see. Here we go, and I am launching at the same time, and you can see the Oppo is faster, not a huge faster. So let's open another website, something like facebook.com. So here we go, and both phones are having right behind of the website, and you can see Oppo is faster, so not a huge faster, but about 2 second difference. I am interested in the RAM management because 2 GB RAM on both phones, and show you guys what is the RAM management. Expect this phone dialer, no refresh on both phones, so good. So let's open settings, and both phones having refresh the settings app. So let's open my files. Where is my files? So the my files is not here, so let's open games, Subway Surfer, and both phones having refresh the application because 2 GB RAM cannot handle the applications. So let's open game, another Candy Crush, and refresh again. So not a better RAM on both phones, same RAM management. So last opening the internet browser, and I think the Oppo is not refreshed because it show me the internet password. So, and thank you so much for watching this video, and in my opinion the both phones having a same processor speed and the RAM management and the internet speed. One win for the S4 and the one win for the Oppo. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you guys you enjoy it, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.